Then widen this. Is Mamata Banerjee aiming to form a new opposition front? Will it only weaken the opposition or strengthen it and make it easier for the BJP, some would say? Is a Congress-mukt opposition really feasible? That's the question I want to raise. Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar of the TMC and Pawan Khera of the Congress. We need a Congress perspective. Appreciate both of you joining us. Pawan Khera, you might have heard Derek O'Brien. He says Trinamool is going where they believe the Congress is incapable of taking on the BJP, that they are in a better position to take on the BJP. This is about the Trinamool Congress asserting its right as a political party to take on the BJP.
Rajdeep, every political party has a right to aim to expand and then perhaps fail. I mean, that right to fail and to attempt and then again fail again is something, it's their prerogative. I don't want to interfere in that right of theirs. Our fight, as far as the Congress party is concerned, Rahul Gandhi is concerned, our fight has been, will be against the anti-farmer, anti-youth, anti-women, anti-trader, anti-secularism face and the character of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Anybody who wants to strengthen the BJP, go ahead, be their guest. They want to strengthen this fight against the BJP, you're most welcome. We are not, our fight is not against Mamata ji. Mamata ji's fight may be against us because in Goa, where we are not in power, she goes and campaigns against us.
No, because because Pawan Khera, her view is that you're not giving the BJP a good enough fight. You know, the figure which is being cited is that there are, just a minute, there are approximately 180, 190 seats in the Lok Sabha where it's direct Congress versus BJP in 2019. The BJP won all but 7 and the margin was 15%. So, the likes of Trinamool Congress are saying we are in a better position perhaps to take on the BJP.
Rajdeep, if you're talking about the 2019 Lok Sabha election, what was the performance of the BJP in West Bengal? Mamata ji could not stop the BJP in the Lok Sabha election in West Bengal. Does that mean she should disband her party and allow someone else to fight the BJP? No, that's a very stupid argument being offered by them. Now, if a consultant, a spurned consultant, rejected by the Congress, is trying to settle his scores through Mamata ji, I hope good sense prevails on Mamata ji and doesn't allow that consultant to do his kind of business here.
No, 1 minute, you're making a huge point. 1 minute, you're making a huge point. You're telling me that it is Prashant, the consultant. Let's be clear. Call a spade a spade. You're telling me Prashant Kishore was spurned by the Congress and he is the one who is goading Mamata Banerjee to take on the Congress and occupy that space as an act of revenge. Is that what you're telling me today?
The fact of the matter is, this gentleman who's a professional consultant who charges money to give his services to various political parties.
I'm having a problem with your audio. We'll try and get your audio rectified in a moment.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah. So I'm saying this particular consultant who is a businessman.
No, we are again having let me get Kakoli to respond and then I'll come back to you till we get your audio perfect. Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, serious claim being made by Pawan Khera, an election strategist is goading Mamata Banerjee effectively, it appears, according to him, to take on the Congress.
You know, there is a saying in Bengali which says, Naste na janle uthu beka, which means if you don't know how to dance, it's just a kahavat. When you don't know how to dance, you blame the dance floor. That is the kind of allegation being made by the Honorable Speaker there from the Indian National Congress. You see, there is a total disconnect between the Congress party's present leadership and the grassroots level workers. The message of the High Command doesn't reach the workers, and the workers, on the other hand, are disgruntled with the agenda being set up by the Indian National Congress. So what happens is what the likes of Goa, Manipur, wherever we see that...
I'm afraid we are having audio problems with all our guests. I will request our producer to...
The Janata Party is lacking. So if they don't fight outright with the Bharatiya Janata Party, then the space is being occupied by Bharatiya Janata Party and they are expanding that. If they want to fight seriously, it has to be a political fight with the workers, leaders put together. Let them show their grit in Uttar Pradesh election. We're not going there. But you see, when as we say, the Ashwamedha Rath of BJP was conquering state after state, it was only in Bengal it was stopped by Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress. So Trinamool Congress can take on the BJP head on and win the Vidhan Sabha election. We can do so. It's other parts of the country where we are trying to be the principal opposition.
Okay.
Congress is not there in the picture.
But
if we try to be the principal opposition and defeat them, that
Okay.
is the harm I don't understand.
Okay, let Pawan Khera, the question I asked you, are you saying that Mamata Banerjee, A, is being goaded by Prashant Kishore, the election strategist you referred to without mentioning his name, to take on the Congress out of a sense of revenge or pique? Is that what you're telling me now?
Rajdeep, it's so insignificant in the larger scheme of things. Which consultant wants to avenge who? How does it bother me or you or the Congress party? I mean, Congress party is a 135-year-old party. There are ups and downs in all parties. After all, Mamata ji is also from Congress party. And my worthy colleague sitting here says, नाचना नहीं आता था. आप सबने नाचना कांग्रेस में ही सीखा था. तो मत भूलिए ये बात. And no one has forgotten when the Gujarat riots took place, Rajdeep Sardesai. Soon after that, in 2003, Mamata ji joined the NDA, became a minister in the NDA government. So for her to stand up today and say UPA doesn't exist, I'm sorry, she's not a part of the UPA. So आज मैं कह दूं अमेरिका है ही नहीं क्योंकि मैं अमेरिका का नागरिक नहीं हूं. It's a very stupid way of describing America.
No, the fact is, the fact, Pawan Khera is, one minute. Pawan Khera, the fact, I think that the likes of Mamata Banerjee are making the point that if the Congress is weakening, if the Congress leadership is seen to be weakening, what is the harm if other leaders who believe they are in a better position to take on the BJP make an attempt in a way to recreate and recraft the opposition? The Congress doesn't have a divine right to rule either in the government or in the opposition.
No. Sorry, you are talking about a divine right to rule. We have a divine duty to struggle, and we have been struggling for the last 7 years. Divine duty to struggle is how I'll put it. It's only Rahul Gandhi who's taking on the RSS. ये तो इंडिया के हिस्सा बन गए थे. After Gujarat riots, Mamata ji, with due respect to her, I admire her grit. But after Gujarat riots, she was the minister with Atal ji. So who is talking about a divine right to rule? We are struggling. Rahul Gandhi is the lone voice against the RSS. Where is Mamata Banerjee when we take the RSS on? He's fighting them. Mamata ji is not fighting them.
Yeah, he's fighting but not winning elections. Just a minute. He's fighting but not winning. You can't fight the RSS on Twitter. You have to fight the RSS on the ground, not on Twitter. Mamata Banerjee has won an election.
We have a track record of winning maximum number of elections and we'll do that again. आप लोकसभा में बीजेपी को रोक पाए क्या बंगाल में? आपका अपना आंगन था जहां आपको नाचना आता है.
No, they still won more seats than the BJP. Sir, they won more seats. Rahul Gandhi lost Amethi. You won one seat in Uttar Pradesh.
हम यूपी में अभी वीक हैं, इसमें शक की बात नहीं, स्ट्रांग हो जाएंगे. ये तो आपका you founded your party in West Bengal. वहां आप बीजेपी को रोक पाए क्या लोकसभा में? I mean, ये क्या आर्गुमेंट है साहब? So I hope we'll carry on with our struggle and our fight against the RSS. We'll beat them like we have done that in the past. I hope a consultant is not setting the agenda of politics for Mamata ji. She has a promising future. I hope she doesn't give her future to ransom just to a spurned consultant.
No. So why? No. You know, Pawan Khera, Mamata Banerjee is a former congresswoman. Sharad Pawar, who's standing next to her, is a former congressman. What stops the Congress from reaching out to all these leaders and saying, let's form a larger Congress parivar? What stops the Congress from suggesting that maybe one of them also could become a UPA chairperson? The problem seems to be the Congress has decided the Gandhi family alone will lead our party. The likes of Mamata, possibly some others, feel maybe it's their time. Maybe,
Rajdeep, why would you deprive me of choosing a leader of my party?
Sure.
अब आप कहते हैं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी में लीडर हटा दीजिए और ममता जी को ले आइए, ममता जी को या किसी को भी ले आइए जो 2002 के दंगों के बाद अटल जी के साथ मंत्री थी. उनको मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी का नेता कैसे मान लूं? माफ कीजिएगा, मैं नहीं मानूंगा. आई वोंट एक्सेप्ट हर एज माय लीडर.
Okay.
As a loyal Congress person, I reject this idea, the basis of this idea that I will accept Mamata Banerjee as my leader in the Congress party. I'm sorry, I'll quit politics, I'll resign, I'll retire from politics. I'll never accept her as my leader.
Okay.
My leader is Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, your leader is Rahul Gandhi. Kakoli goes
He's the one fighting. He's the one taking the RSS on.
Okay.
He never got in partnership with RSS like others did.
You know, Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar.
Why would I reject Rahul Gandhi over Mamata
Okay.
Banerjee? I mean, it's bizarre to even suggest this.
Okay,
I'm
fair.
shocked that you are suggesting this.
No, I'm not suggesting it. I am saying
Thank
that
you.
what there is a section of your party which believes, or who may not come out in public, who believe maybe it's time for a grand realignment. Who leads it is, of course, for you all to decide. But Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, the more Mamata Banerjee spreads into these states where the Congress is in power, like Goa, who's benefiting? The BJP. And many believe, therefore, Mamata Banerjee is playing into the BJP's hands.
First, let us go back to the leadership of the Congress party. It is quite evident, it is in public domain, that there is discontentment within the party of the senior leadership, and they want an open air where we can discuss things freely and all together, not coming from a single source. The information, agenda, the political activity. So that is what
No,
is
but
actually
but
ailing the
Kakoli
Congress.
Ghosh Dastidar,
So-
if they have the Gandhi family, you have the Banerjee family. You also have a family.
No, we have no working committee. Please let me correct you. We have working committee. Our decisions are taken
come
by
on,
sitting together and depending upon the need of the hour. Now, as you said that, what would Mamata Banerjee do in a state where she would be just going and strengthening the hand of BJP? That's not the truth. The truth is that when we find that the opposition is weak there, like if you take, for example, Tripura, we find the opposition is not strong enough. So we went for a local body poll and we polled more than 20% seats within 3 months.
Ma'am, look at
So
what
if
you've
we
done in
put our
Goa.
effort, we know
Ma'am,
we
look
can
at
do
what
it.
you've done in
And that's
Goa.
what we are
Goa
trying
is
to
a
spread.
state. Ma'am, Goa is a state which the Congress was the largest party in 2017. You've suddenly 3 months before the election gone into Goa. Naturally, there are suspicions, but the fact is at the moment,
I was talking about
Rajdeep,
Tripura,
I need 10
and
seconds.
then I
Okay.
would come to Goa.
Small
I
advice
must
to
give
my...
I must give my friend Pawan Khera, since the Trinamool has had disproportionate time between Derek and you, ma'am, the final word. Pawan Khera, final word. Why doesn't Sonia Gandhi ring up Mamata Banerjee and say, let's form a grand Mahabandhan of the opposition? What stops it?
Rajdeep, as I said, हमारी लड़ाई नहीं है इनसे. We are fighting our battle. Whoever wants to join is most welcome. My simple, small advice to Kakoli Di is, जिनको आप अपना गुरु मान के बैठी हैं, वो दक्षिणा कहीं और से तो नहीं ले रहा, ये जरा देख लीजिएगा. So there's a track
No,
record
you are
of the
making
gentleman I'm
another
talking
serious.
about.
No,
You
1
see,
minute.
when you are
Pawan
losing-
I'm
Khera.
very serious.
No, 1
When you
minute.
are
You are
losing
making a
ground,
serious allegation
you
that
can make
Prashant
positive
Kishore. No,
remarks.
1 minute, Kakoli. You are making a serious allegation that Prashant Kishore is the one who's leading Mamata Banerjee and he's doing it on behalf of the BJP. Is that what you're saying? Yes or no?
Rajdeep, it's for everyone to
No.
see. Mamata ji
See,
meets the Prime
Mr.
Minister,
Khera.
comes out and announces that she'll now fight Goa. Either it's a guru who claims that he's the guru of everyone and takes dakshina from everyone.
Right.
Either it's him, or it is something far more serious, that it's the ED and the CBI at work again, and they are, intimidating people.
These
I
are
hope
conspiracy
nobody is getting
theories.
intimidated.
Pawan Khera, these are conspiracy theories to suggest that this
Well,
is now.
you've seen what has happened.
Okay.
What do you mean? If you still call them conspiracy theories, I'm surprised at your innocence.
Okay, I am an innocent anchor. You all are the wise politicians. Pawan Khera, your smile reveals it all. Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, always good to have you on the show. Clearly, as I said, Kaun Banega Challenger is going to be a subplot that's going to build into 2024.